Nice day today. I think I might, was that Alan? Alan! Al! Alan! Yeah, I don't think you can hear me, you know. No. Alan! 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 Al! Alan! 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 Oh, so that's not Alan. Steve, Steve. Steve! 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 Okay, boys, plankton breakover, pull your fish fingers out, come on. We have some scuba divers approaching. Now, you know the drill. Everyone into position. Okay? 2, 3, 4. Da-da. 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 Louder, boys, louder! Give me full tissue! More cello, Roger, use the gills! Brian, I love it, I love it! You're even scaring me! Andrew, are you chewing?
No.
Right, well, I hope you bought enough for everyone. Come on, spit it out. Okay, back into positions. And a 1 and a 2. Oh, no, that's not Steve. That is Alan. Alan! Alan! Al! Alan! 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 Alan!
Did someone just say my name? Hey, 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 hey. Do you say Alan?